afternoon. We are at Prolific Butcher Shop with the owner, Angel. If you remember, originally they opened on Halloween Day of 2020, but unfortunately the winter storm caught all of us by surprise, and Angel and Prolific Butcher Shop had to shut down for a short period of time to make some much needed repairs as a result of the storm. Now I'm pleased to turn it over to Angel and let him tell you about his plans for a grand reopening here in Watauga. Angel?
So we have our grand opening planned for this Saturday, April 24th. Regular time is 9 to 6. So that's what we have our eyes on. So right now we're trying to get it prepared and trying to get it fully stocked for Saturday.
Awesome, that's great. I have had a lot of residents inquire with me about whether you were going to reopen. And my understanding and talking with building development was that you were working on repairs and working with the insurance company. But I see that you are using your entrepreneurial ways, and during the shutdown, you have made an effort to add some products to your shelves. So I see lots of products here, from queso extreme to Carolina Reaper salsa. That's really hot. Got some pickles and all kinds of other products here, preserves. Tell us how you came to start carrying these additional products once you reopen.
So I got the connection from one of my local suppliers here in Texas, and he actually threw me like the alley-oop to this guy that's here locally as well, and he has a big farm where he does all these products. So I mean, I partnered up with him, and he makes them at his farm, and he was willing to put my logo on it, which I mean, couldn't beat that. So yeah, now I'm gonna start carrying from honey, the local honey, raw honey, to like different stuff, the salsas, the cheeses, the preserves, pickles, everything that he does in his farm. So that's just something I wanted to add to, to the store, give us some more value.
I also saw some really unique items that you're going to be carrying, like crickets, and some kind of candy with different insects in them. How'd you come to start selling that? I
mean, it's just like, I was just real interested in carrying stuff that you don't regularly see like at the stores. So just stuff that will match my store, being a butcher shop, like the candies, and every candy you see, like I have cotton candy bacon, the cowtails, chocolate covered bacon strips. So just little unique stuff that will match my store. I mean, why not?
Absolutely. If people are buying it, why not provide it to them, right? I also see that you've got some holy cow barbecue rub here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is that something that you were carrying before? I don't remember seeing that.
Yeah, those are all new seasonings that from a local supplier as well. He makes them here in Texas, and we're gonna start carrying his brand, and just a real good seasoning. I mean, that guy's pretty popular, and just wanted to carry it in here. Customers always asking me for it, so yeah, I can carry that as well.
Awesome. Well, I know the citizens of Watauga are going to be very excited to see you reopen, and of course the city is very excited to have you reopening. And as I said, with all the new products and everything, I'm sure you will have these meat counters filled with choices for them come Saturday, and then all the new products that you have to offer this go around, in addition to your logo shirts like you have on today. Y'all can still purchase those. So anything else you would like to add?
That you pretty much covered. I mean, we're going to be doing a big giveaway too today. Today, for just before the grand opening, we're going to be doing a big giveaway. We're going to give away 2 meat boxes, family packs, and just to get the name out there and stuff like that, we're going to promote that on our Facebook page. So if people want to look into it and sharing it and stuff, we'll be giving away 2 meat boxes.
Great. You'll also be able to find that information on our new business directory. If you visit the city's website and go to the WEDC page of the website, you'll see a link for the new business directory, and you'll be able to find Prolific Butcher Shop in that business directory. So we invite everybody to come out on Saturday and shop with Prolific Butcher Shop.
Thank you.